Alright, this is part 2 of doing mud stuff at a construction site. Pretty epic. This dude, he's staying in the deep mud for like a minute or two. Probably not gonna be able to get out, but let's see. Bro, do it over here. It's worse over here. Yes, sir. After that, just gonna walk around. 2 sewers over there. This is super weird. Doesn't let me zoom in because of my gloves, but whatever. This is giant. Oh fuck. Got stuck. Alright, try to get out now. Dude, for real? Wow. Dude, your whole boot is covered in mud. Your whole left boot. That's crazy. Alright, we'll just walk around now. Bro, mine is covered too. That's crazy.
So heavy now.
Yeah. It's gonna be hard to wash it off. Wow. But it's sus hour, so that's a good thing. It actually works.
Kick in there.
Yeah. Let's go over to the sewers and then let's wash our boots off. Doing 360s in the car. This place is so weird. There's some water over here. We can wash our boots in. Bro, look how much. That's like quicksand right there. After we get over here, we should head back. Sewer view, but not really. It's what they're gonna use for a sewer. It's weird, they haven't even done anything with it yet. Alright, that's gonna be the end of part 2. Subscribe.